Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete a Salesforce flow. So first we're going to go to our browser, then go to the Salesforce account and log in. Then once you guys are logged in, you're going to go to the app launcher on the top left corner. Then we're going to search for flow. Then as you can see, these are the flows we have. Then next we're going to click on the drop down arrow. Then as you can see, there's the delete option. So we're going to click on delete. So this is how you delete a Salesforce flow. It's a very simple step. As I told you, we also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.